Today we're going to do one activity related to our lesson, that is our need for food and our diet. Okay, so let me start our activity. In that activity we're going to see a different uh, types of food, different types of food, and different type balanced diet, like our balanced diet. Okay, so let me start our students our activity. My screen is visible to everyone. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Okay, now in that my screen. Okay, balanced diet. Balanced diet, what is the balanced diet? Okay, we already learned that lesson, our need for food. What different animals, different living things, all living things need a different kind of food. All living things need a different kind of food. Okay, so what is the balanced diet? So today we're going to do this activity. In that balanced diet, what exactly we have to do, what exactly we have to eat. Let me start our activity. So students, see in that screen, what you see in that screen? Okay, which are the fruits you're going to see in that screen? Apple, banana, and the orange, and there is the one cake. Cake also our food, but there are some percentage, to eat the different kind of food. Okay, these apples, banana, oranges, these are the fruits. So there are different kind of foods, like fruits, vegetables, non-vegetables, sweets, yes or no, cereals, pulses, grains. These are the different kinds of foods. So anything that we eat or drink is called our food. Whatever we eat, जो भी हम लोग खाते हैं, whatever, anything that we eat or drink, that is our food. Okay, whatever we eat, that is our food. Whatever drink, that is like a juice, milk, whatever we drink, water, that is our food. Okay, so see, why we need a food. We already learned that lesson, why we need a food. We need a food to grow up. We need a food to grow up. Yes or no, students? We need a food to grow up. Before starting activity, I explained regarding this activity. Okay, students? So before this activity, just see all those screen, all those slide you can see properly. So you can able to do this activity properly. Okay, so we need a food to grow up. Yes or no? We need a food to grow up. See, in balanced diet, I already told you balanced diet. What is the balanced diet? In that balanced diet, these four things are necessary. These four things are necessary. Which are the four things? Proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamin, and minerals. Okay, only proteins, only if we eat only proteins, it is not only proteins. We need in our daily food, we need the all those things, like proteins, carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, and minerals. All those things necessary to our diet. Okay, only fats, if we eat, what will happen? So uh, it's a very unhealthy for our body. So we need all four things, that is the proteins. We need, our body needs a protein, our body needs a carbohydrates, our body needs a fats, our body needs a vitamin and minerals. Okay, so these are our balanced diet. These things keeps our diet balance. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so in this is the pyramid of diet. This is the pyramid of diet, food pyramid. Let me see. This is the food pyramid. What we say? This is a food pyramid. Okay. So in that food pyramid, there are three things. This food pyramid supplies us energy supplier, protective food, bodybuilder. So in that food pyramids, firstly in the base round side, there is the carbohydrate. Okay, so most of the carbohydrates we need from the food. Most of the carbohydrate we need from the food. So carbohydrate give us energy. Carbohydrate gives us energy. Yes or no? What the who gives the energy? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives us energy. The second one is the vitamin and minerals. In the vitamin and minerals, what the comes like fruits, vegetables, that things are comes in vitamins and minerals. So what the vitamin and minerals gives us? Vitamin and minerals is our protective food. It's our protective food. Okay. The next is the proteins and calcium. From where we get the potassium, proteins and calcium we get. Proteins and calcium we get from milk product, we get from meat, fish. Okay. So the proteins and calcium build our body. It help us to build our body. So proteins and calcium, it's a bodybuilder things. Okay, next one is the fats, oil, sweets. Okay, that's are the fats. So that fats little bit we have to eat. Okay, now see carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, what comes in a carbohydrate? Carbohydrate comes the whole grains, whatever grains are there, cereals, pulses. Grains means what? Rice, jawar, bajra, wheat, all those things. Cereals, all the pulses are comes the in that the carbohydrates are there. That's the reason we have to eat. We eat the chapati bhaji, we eat the rice, dal and rice. Our mother and our parents, daily they have to say, you have to eat chapati bhaji, you have to eat dal and rice. Yes or no? Because the carbohydrate are gain inside to our body. These carbohydrates gives us energy. Carbohydrates gives us energy. Okay. अगर हम लोग ने खाना नहीं खाए, मतलब carbohydrates like वो that grain, cereals, pulses नहीं खाया, only हम लोग sweets खाते रहेंगे like chocolates, Cadbury, that things we eat. So क्या हमें energy मिलेगी? No. So carbohydrates are needs to eat because carbohydrates gives us energy. Carbohydrates gives us energy. Okay. So in that from where carbohydrates we get? We get carbohydrates from grains, cereals, pulses. Grains, which are the grains? Like rice, jawar, bajra, wheat, these are the grains. Pulses, all dals are the pulses. Okay. So from there we get the carbohydrates. So carbohydrates gives us energy. Carbohydrate gives us energy. Okay. The next pyramid, the next stage of the pyramid, that is the vitamin and minerals. That is the vitamin and minerals. In that vitamin and minerals, the vitamin and minerals is our protective food. It's our protective food. If we not get the carbohydrates, so that time we eat the vitamins and minerals. These are the protective food. Doctor also tells us you have to eat the fruits daily, because these are the your protective food. It's a protect our body. Okay. So these vitamins and minerals we get from fruits and vegetables. Okay. Many of the students didn't eat the vegetables. Okay. So that's the reason the lack of vitamins and minerals we can see in their body. Doctor also said that in your body very lack of vitamins and minerals, so you have to eat the vegetables, leafy vegetables you have to eat. Yes or no? So these vitamins and minerals we get from the fruits and vegetables. So we need to eat the fruits and vegetable after the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is our best. It's our best. After the carbohydrates gives us energy. But the vitamins and minerals, it's our protective food. It's our protect our body. Okay. So if we any some our body some things are less, so that fruits and vegetables are protect our body. So this is the vitamins and minerals we get from the fruit and vegetables. So we have to eat the fruits and vegetables daily. Okay. Now see students, the next is the proteins and calcium. From where we get the proteins and calcium? From where we get the proteins and calcium? Proteins and calcium we get from the nuts, meat, pulses, and the milk and milk product. Okay, milk and milk product. Okay, so see, all the milk product, in the milk product, all milk products are come. Cheese, yes, all those things are come. Curd, milk, jhas, or all those things. So all the milk product and the nuts, meat, pulses, these are the proteins and calcium. From proteins and calcium we get from the where? From proteins and calcium we get from where? Nuts. Nuts, it means all the dry fruits. Okay, nuts, meat. Meat, it means the flesh of the animal that we are eat the chicken. Yes, so these are the meat, nuts, meat, pulses. These, from this we get the proteins and calcium, and also we get the proteins and calcium from the milk and milk product. Our mother, our parents, daily we have to see, drink milk, drink milk, you get the energy, you get the proteins, you get the calcium. If we the lack of calcium and lack of proteins in our body, that time we have to eat the milk, we have to drink the milk, and we have to eat the milk product. Okay, so it's a bodybuilder. From eating the proteins and calcium, our body will build, our body will build properly. Many of the students are very small, so they need to eat the meat, nuts, pulses, they need to drink milk. Okay, वो ऐड आती है ना, खाएगा तो बढ़ेगा. So that's kind of. So मम्मी को बोलो कॉम्प्लान पिलाए. कॉम्प्लान क्यों पिलाए? क्योंकि उसमें वो कॉम्प्लान के साथ वो प्रोटीन एंड कैल्शियम मिलते हैं, और वो मिल्क में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को दे डिडंट लाइक द ड्रिंक द मिल्क. So that's the reason parents bring the different kinds of proteins, calcium, like a Complan, Bonvita, Boost. So that's the reason our body will build. Okay, so see students, these are the food pyramid. In that food pyramid, carbohydrate, the next is the proteins and vitamins, the after one the calciums. Okay, see, the best side is the our carbohydrate. Carbohydrate we have to eat 40%. Carbohydrate we have to eat 40%. Then vitamin and minerals. Vitamin and minerals we get from fruits and vegetables. So fruit and vegetables we have to eat 35%. Okay. Then our next is the proteins and calcium. Proteins and calcium we have to eat 20%. And the next one is our fat. Fat, it means the whatever sweet are there. Chocolates, candy, ice cream. These are the fat. So this fat we have to little bit eat, like a 5% only. So chocolate, candy, ice cream, these are not our food. These are only a test of our tongue. So we have to eat that things 5% only. Our main food is the carbohydrate, then our vitamin and minerals, that is we get from the fruits and vegetables. The next is our proteins and calcium, that is we get from the meat, that is we get from the nuts, and we get from the pulses. Okay, and meat. Okay, so these things are necessary to our body. Students, just see that screen, huh? How many percent carbohydrate we need our body, how many percent vitamins and minerals we need our body, how many percent proteins and calcium need our body, and how many percent fats are need our body. Okay, I will ask that question afterwards. See, the next is the water. We already learned the water lesson. Water is very essential to us. Without water we can't live. Water is the best medicine to clean up our body. Our body, we have to clean our body. So water is the best medicine to clean up our body and also help us to digest food. Whatever we eat, the food na, that food digest, water help us to digest. Water help us to digest that food in our body. See, after this, the eating source we see. Okay, balanced diet. In the balanced diet, we see the all the eating source, which kind of things we have to eat, with how many percentage carbohydrate, how many percentage vitamin, minerals, how many percentage calcium and proteins, and how many percentage fats we have to eat. But all those things we eat, but our body needs a exercise also. In our school, we take a PT lecture, sports lecture also we take na. Why we take sports and PT lecture? Because keep our body healthy. Because keeps our body healthy. We need to walking karna hai. Early in the morning we need to go for walking. We climbing the stairs. So keep our body fit. We need to do yoga. We need to do yoga. See, in this chart there is the many different kinds of food, fruits, vegetables, grain, pulses, then meat, flesh, all those things are there. You have to identify. Before identify, so now your activity will start in that screen, in that uh, way. Just a better students. Okay, now see, I will start your activity. In that activity, you going to tell me the answer. Okay. So you ready for your chat? You ready for from your chat? In that first, everyone understand. I already explained you in from vitamin and minerals from where we get, from carbohydrates from where we get, calcium and proteins from where we get, fats from where we get. So in that first picture, there is the fruit. Tell me that fruit name. Yes, that fruit name is apple. That fruit name is apple. From fruit, the second picture is the banana. The third picture is the one apple is there. Then the fourth picture also fruits are there. In the first, apple, banana, these are the fruits. The first fruit. So uh, fruits, from fruits, what we get? From fruits, what we get? Carbohydrates we get, vitamin, minerals we get, or protein and calcium we get, and the fats we get. What we get from these things? From fruits, what we get? Tell me students, from fruit what we get? Okay, I'll come to your screen. Wait students. Okay students, tell me, from fruits what we get? Energy. From fruit we get vitamins and minerals. Vitamin and minerals. What we get? Tell me students. Every students, you have to participate in that activity. Okay. From fruit what we get? Tell me. We have to describe all those things. Okay. Yes. From fruits we get vitamins and minerals. Okay. So fruit is our what? Vitamins and minerals is our what? It's so from vitamins and minerals what we get our body? What we get our body? Like a carbohydrates get our body energy. Carbohydrates get our body energy. So vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Fruits and vegetables are the vitamins and minerals. Yes or no? Fruits and vegetables are vitamins and minerals. So from vitamins and minerals, what help us our body? It helps us our body to, it's our protective food. Vitamins and minerals is our protective food. Yes or no? Yes, every student you have to say. Every student. Okay. Now the next one is the egg. Egg is what? Egg. From egg, what we get? Egg. From egg, we get a. I will give you options. Okay. From egg, what we get? From egg, we get carbohydrates. We get proteins or calcium, and we get vitamins and minerals. What is correct answer? Okay. I will unmute one student, and that students will give me the answer. I will unmute that students. Okay, Advait Bhagwat, I unmute you. Advait Bhagwat. Advait Bhagwat.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, I will ask some questions. I show you the balanced diet. I already shown you balanced diet. In that balanced diet, egg. Do you know egg?
Yes.
Are you eat the egg?
Yes.
Yes. So from egg, what you get? I will give you option. From egg, you get the carbohydrates to your body. From egg, get your minerals to your body. From egg, get fats to your body. And from egg, get calcium, proteins and calcium to your body. What is the correct answer?
Calcium.
Well done, student. Well done. From egg, we get the calcium, proteins and calcium. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Thank you, Advait. Now, next student. Aniket Bhandare. I unmute you. Aniket, I unmute you.
Yes.
Yes. Good morning, Aniket.
Good morning.
Okay. I will ask some question, Aniket. You can listen that the question properly, and I will give two options. You can select that option in that two options. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Your mother gives you chapati. Your mother gives you chapati. You rice. What you get to your body? Okay, option is vitamins and calcium, and second option is carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate.
Very nice, well done. It means, are you understand from which food we get the carbohydrates, from which food we get the calcium and vitamins, from which food we get the minerals and proteins. Okay, thank you, Aniket.
Yes.
Thank you. Now unmute you. Sorry, mute you.
आंसर पहला
Aditya Darpe, I unmute you. Aditya, I unmute you. Hi, Aditya.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay, I will ask some question, Aditya. Give me answer, okay? I also give you the some options. Okay, are you ready, Aditya?
Yes.
Okay, well done, well done. Okay, now see, Aditya, did you like fruits? Are you
Yes.
like fruits? Yes. Which fruits are you like?
Apple.
Apple are you like? Okay. So tell me, if you eat apple, from this apple, what you get? What you get? From apple, you get your body. What the things your body will get? Option is carbohydrates. second is vitamins and minerals, and third is fat. Which is the correct option? Which is the correct answer in that?
Vitamin. Vitamin.
Yes, very good. If you eat the apple, from that apple, you get the vitamins and minerals to your body. So these vitamins and minerals helps us, your body. It's a vitamins and minerals. It's a protective food. Okay. So are you understand, Aditya?
Yes.
Aditya, thank you. Now next one. Next one I ask Daksh Ojha. Daksh Ojha, I unmute you. You can unmute from your side. Okay, Daksh, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, Dash.
Good morning.
Okay. Okay, are you take your breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. What you eat in your breakfast?
Milk and biscuit.
Milk and biscuit. Okay. Tell me, from milk, what you get? From milk, what you get in your body?
Calcium and protein.
Very good. From milk, your body get the calciums and proteins. And milk is the bodybuilder thing. Okay, if you want to gain our body, if you want to build our body, we needs to drink a milk. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So how many percent we eat, we needs to need our body vitamins and calcium? How many percent? How many percent our body needs a vitamin and calcium? Sorry, proteins and calciums.
50.
Hmm?
50.
No, student, not a 50. Yes, carbohydrate we needs our body, carbohydrates 40%. Okay, then 35% vitamins and minerals, and 20% we need a calcium and proteins to our body, and 5% we need a fat. Okay, are you
Okay.
understand? Huh? So how many percent
Yes.
calcium and vitamins we need our body? How many percent, student? 20%. Keep it in your mind. Huh? Okay, thank you, Daksh. Now I ask another student from girls side, Janvi Sawant. Janvi, unmute from your side. Janvi, are you there? Janvi Sawant. Yes, Janvi Sawant, are you there? Janvi, are you there? I think Janvi network issue is there. Okay, I will ask another student. Okay, Kshitija Sadafule. Kshitija, I unmute you. You also unmute from your side, Kshitija. Kshitija, I unmute you. Unmute from your side. Are you there, Kshitija?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Good morning, Kshitija.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, I asked some questions. I explain you about the balanced diet. Okay. Are you see that balanced diet? Which kind of balanced diet? The food pyramid? Yes or no?
Yes.
So tell me, what did you like to eat?
Chapati bhaji.
Chapati bhaji. Okay. From chapati bhaji, what you get to your body?
Vitamin.
Okay. From bhaji, it means the vegetables, we get the vitamins and minerals. From chapati, what?
Calcium.
Carbohydrates. From chapati, it's a chapati we will make from the wheat. We will make from the grains. Okay, so the grains are gives us carbohydrate to our body. Okay,
Okay.
gives us carbohydrate to our body. So everyone understand these things? Everyone? Okay, now I share the screen again. Okay, students, see. Now your screen, there is the food groups are there. There is the food groups are there. In that food groups, you can see fruits, vegetables and treats. Fruits, vegetables and treats. Okay. So from fruits, you can give me the answer. You can give me the answer from a chat. From chat. Okay. So be ready with the chat. Fruits. In that below there is the options are there. So in that screen, which are the fruits are there? Tell me which are the fruits. Give me answer via chat. Yes. Okay. The first. Okay. Let me see. The first picture is that is the one slice of cake. Slice of cake. This slice of cake is comes in a fruits. It comes in a vegetables. It comes in a treats. So where it's come? It comes in a treats. Slice of cake, it comes in a treats. The next is the broccoli vegetable. That broccoli vegetable, it comes in a vegetable column. Next is the fruit, watermelon. It comes in a fruit. Next is the candy. It's a candy. It comes in a where? Candy is a fruit. Candy is a vegetable. No, candy is a treat. It's a treat. Next is the banana. Banana is a fruit. It means banana comes in a fruits column. Okay. Next is the one vegetables is there. Small sticks are there. Drumsticks like that is the vegetables. So that things are comes in a vegetables. Next is the grapes are there. Grapes are the fruits. Vegetables or treats. Grapes are the fruits. So that grapes are comes in a fruits column. Next is the ice cream. Okay. So ice cream is a fruit. Ice cream is a vegetable. Ice cream is a treats. Next is the chocolates. Everyone like the chocolates. So chocolates are comes in a treats. Next is the corn. Corns are comes in a vegetable column. Next is the carrot. Carrot also comes in a radish, I think. Radish also comes in a vegetable column. Next is the guava fruit. It comes in a fruits column. So this way the fruits, vegetables and treats are a different group. Vegetables and fruits gives us a vitamin and minerals to our body. It means this is a protective food. But treats are gives a fats. Treats are gives treats like cake, ice cream, candy, chocolates. These are the gives us fat to our body. But we have to eat that fat, but very little, only 5% fats we have to eat. Okay, now see students, this cycle is there. This so fruit and vegetables. How many percent fruit and vegetables we have to eat? How many percent? 35%. This green shade, it shows the fruits and vegetables. See students, these are the fruits and vegetables. These fruits and vegetables we have to eat how many percent? 35%, because these fruits and vegetables gives us vitamins and minerals to our body, and these fruits and vegetables are our protective food. Next is the in yellow color, that is the grain, cereals and potatoes. Grain, cereals and potatoes, these are our carbohydrates. From grains, cereals and potatoes, we gives us carbohydrates. So these carbohydrates needs to eat. So how many percent carbohydrates needs to our body? 40% carbohydrates. How many percent? 40% carbohydrates. Next is in blue color. In blue color, that is the dairy product. Dairy product means what? Dairy product means what? It means a milk product. Dairy product, it means a milk product. That milk product we have to eat how many? We have to eat 20%. This, see, dairy product and that, because this dairy product gives us calcium, gives us calcium. Okay, meat and flesh, this meat, flesh and dairy products, nuts, eggs, this, all those things gives us, yes, proteins and calcium. So we have to eat these things 20%. And this in between, this in orange color, that is our fat. That is our fat. Candy, ice cream, chocolates, sweets, that things gives us fat. So that fats we eat only 5%. We eat only 5%. So everyone understand balanced diet? Everyone? Anybody having doubt about the balanced diet? Everyone like this activity about the balanced diet? Okay, students? So I hope everyone understand this activity. Okay, I will ask question about this activity. Okay.